The Stealth Spin Chair by Hawk is an ultra comfortable blind chair that quietly rotates 360 degrees. Easily shoot from any side of your blind when the time comes. The contoured backrest provides added support, while a no-pressure, mesh fabric and padded armrests guarantee max comfort. Rock-solid stability comes from oversized feet that pivot on uneven terrain and keep the chair from sinking into soft ground. Heavy-duty steel tubing gives superior durability and supports up to 300 pounds. For easy transport, the Stealth Spin Chair simply folds down and includes a carry sling.